Let's see this question. A alone can do a piece of work in 8 days and B alone in 10 days. A and B undertook to do it for $9,000. With the help of C, they completed their work in 4 days. Then how much is to be paid to C? Now if you observe this question is a kind of model where all of them are working together on the project, right? Therefore, if A, B and C, all of them are working together on the project, the time for which they work on the project is going to be same, right? And if you think that, see, what did we say about the profit? Profit that A gets is to profit that B gets is to profit that C gets will be in the ratio of work done by them, and the work done is proportional to rate into time, isn't it? Which means rate at which A works into time for which A works on the project is to rate at which B works into time for which B works on the project is to rate at which C works, and this. Now since all of them have started the project same time and they are going to see that it gets finished at the same time, therefore the times of A, B and C are same, so we can cancel it off. So in this case it is directly proportional to the rates, right? Okay. Now let's see this. They are saying that A can finish the work in 8 days and B can finish the work in 10 days. For C they didn't say anything, but when A, B and C all of them work together, they are able to finish it in 4 days. 8, 10 and 4 are given. Okay. Now we have to find out the rates. In order to find out the rates, let's assume that the work is some amount. So which one, what will be a better number to assume? Maybe assuming 40 is a good thing. Okay, so 40 units, because it is a multiple of all these three, that is right. Now if that is the case, then what is the rate at which A is working? 40 by 8, which is 5 units per day. 5 units per day. And what is the rate at which B is working? 40 by 10, which means 4 units per day. And what is the rate at which all of them have worked? When all of them have worked, what is the rate at which they completed the work? It is 10 units per day, right? Now from this you can clearly understand that A and B have contributed 9 units per day, but when 3 of them work, they are working as if it is 10 units per day, right? Therefore 1 unit is definitely contributed by C. So we got the ratio at which they are working, so we can directly substitute there. So what is the way we should share it? 5:4:1. Got it? So how many parts totally? 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10 parts. Out of 10 parts, 5 parts should go to A. So what is the total payment? Total payment is $9,000, out of which 5 by 10 is what A is going to get, right? And what about B? 4 out of 10, 4 by 10 of 9,000. So how to get this? This we are going to discuss in ratios and proportions, right? Now what about this one? 1 by 10 out of 9,000. Got it? Okay, so if you want to see it, it is going to be 4,500 and this is going to be 3,200, right? 3,600 and this is going to be 900. Got it? $900. So this is how you are going to share the profit. Fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.